Okay, what do you notice about all of these cards? I want you to look at them very closely. What number do all of these cards show? They all show the number 4, right? I know you know that that's the number 4 when you look at it. This is the number 4 because we can count 4 fingers. This, we've learned about how to use 10 frames. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've been practicing counting dots and counting them quickly, right? And if there are 4 dots like in the corners, we should see that that's 4. And if we wanted to count 1, 2, 3, 4, then we know that that is 4. So things can look different, but still be the same number, right? They look very different, but they all show the number 4. I have a couple different ways to show the number 4 as well. We could also show the number 4 by drawing a picture of something. I chose to draw suns. It could be a picture of anything. We can also show the number 4 by making a problem. 2 plus 2. So another way that we can show 4 is with tally marks. And you know that because we've been doing tally marks in our counting books. All of those tell us the same thing. They all show us 4, but they all look very, very different. I could even write 3 plus 1, right? If I wanted to. And that 3 plus 1 shows us 4. All of those are very, very different ways, so they all show us the same number. What number is that? 4. Number 4. So when you are looking for a different way to show a number, this is a whole bunch of different ways. All right. So now you guys are going to work on this paper. And you're going to pick a number. Actually, I picked a number for you. And you're going to show it to me in 4 different ways. So I have a different number and I'm going to show you how to do this. So I already have my name on my paper and my number is 5. So it's not my class number. This is the number that I'm going to do today and show you. So, let's see here. I am first going to, the easiest way to show a number 5, right? When I think of a number 5 is probably just to write a number 5, right? If somebody said, show me the number 5 on a piece of paper, I would probably just write it. That's one way to show the number 5. So let's think of a different way we can show the number 5. Well, on your paper, if you saw, you're going to have a 10 frame. So, since the 10 frame is already there, what you can do is draw 5 counters on your 10 frame. That's a different way to show 5. So now, if you remember our cards, there was different ways. We could show it by drawing a hand. We already drew the number. We could do a dot pattern. That's objects, which is kind of like the dot pattern. We could show it with problem. We could do tally marks. So, let's see, what other way could I do it? We could show the problem like 3 plus 2. That shows 5. 3 and 2. That shows 5. I can do a dot pattern. The 4 corners and 1 more, that shows 5. Here's a couple more ways. I could draw a hand. See that one? I could draw a hand. That shows 5. I can do 5 tally marks. That's a different way. All of those ways show 5, right? Now, I can't draw 5 suns and then draw 5 squares and then draw 5 circles. I can't do that because that's all pictures. That's really not showing different ways, even if you make your pictures look different. So it has to be different ways in all of your boxes. And here is your paper that you're going to do for today is the number 3. You're going to show me the number 3 and all 4 different ways in each box. So this one's done for you. You're just going to have to show me the number 3 with the counter. So 3 different ways. You have to think of different ways that you can show me the number 3. That's what I want to see you do today.